Okay then, so before getting started, now what we need to do, we need to install the Node.js in our machine. So let's open our browser and search for Node.js. So you can find this nodejs.org. So click the Node.js, and here you can find two different versions, 18, that means the recommended version for most user, and the latest feature. So always go for the recommended version. So click this and that will start downloading your Node.js. So please click open it and click next, and then install it. So you don't have to change or you don't have to add any other extra features in it. Just click next, and then install it. So in my case, it's already installed. So let me leave it as it is, close it. And then what we need to do, all we have to do is to make sure once it's installed successfully, you need to make sure whether it's working fine or not. So in that case, let's go back and open the terminal. Let me bring my terminal over here. All right, let me clear it. And then now what we need to do is just to type node. Let me make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it clearly. I hope now you can see it clearly. So here I'm just going to type node hyphen version. So that will gives me the version number of the node. In my case, I already updated it, so it's showing version 19.6.0. So let me clear it now. And we are going to use the yarn. In that case, you need to install the yarn globally in your machine. So npm install -g yarn. So this will download the latest version of the yarn and it will be installed in the global package of your npm. So whenever you need, instead of using npm, you can use the yarn itself, because I'm going to use the yarn to overcome all the disadvantages of the npm. So better use the yarn itself. So install it. So that will down the yarn and install it globally in the your globally in your npm package. In my case, the yarn file is already exists, so that's the reason it's showing it's already exists. So in that case, all I have to do is to type yarn hyphen version. So that will gives me the version number of the yarn. Okay, so once it's installed successfully for you, run this command yarn hyphen version. You can see the yarn version number. In my case, it's already installed, so that's the reason it's showing that error. So don't worry about it. Just run this command yarn hyphen version. You should be able to get that version number of in your machine. So this is how we used to install the Node.js, and then we used to set up the yarn package in our global npm package.